This video covers the final sea day aboard Carnival Jubilee, where I try the Carnival kitchen as well as go on a bit of a bar crawl with my cousins. Come along. I started the day at the Pig and Anchor Breakfast Buffet, where I was issuing some folks some travel quotes. So if you are interested in booking with me, go ahead and email me at seeitwithc@gmail.com. I then headed up to the adults only Serenity deck, where I had my little Beyonce wind machine moment. However, something that you should know is that you can order ship eats or ship delivery to your chair at Serenity deck through the Carnival Hub app. Okay, I picked up my gift yesterday for Platinum, and you get a pin which says Carnival Jubilee 2024. Cool. Cute little message here. I like this. They were giving out pins that were like Miami themed. So I like that they have one just for like the actual ship. Very nice, Carnival. And then you have your bag here. I think it's a bag. Cute little tote. I haven't opened it yet. But so that's what I get. Another perk for being Platinum. It's another perk for being Platinum. You pick it up at the Pixels desk to get your free, your gift, your complimentary gift as a thank you for being a loyal customer of Carnival. Then it was off to one of the most anticipated activities for me, and that was the Carnival Cooking Kitchen, where I did the Emeril's Bistro, or Emeril's favorite cooking class. Okay, we are live here in the Emeril's cooking class. It is made for 2 people, so they will partner you with someone if you are coming to do this solo, which I'm fine being partnered with someone. They ask that you come with long, like, you're not supposed to bring shorts, and you're supposed to bring closed-toe shoes. However, it seems like they aren't enforcing that, as there are people in here with shorts on and open-toe shoes, and self-included for open-toe shoes, because I did not bring any open-toe shoe or closed-toe shoes. However, I threw my water shoes in my bag just in case they were enforcing. Alrighty, so it looks like my guests were going to be making shrimp and grits at this Emeril's class, but we shall see. If so, I'm very excited because shrimp and grits is one of my favorite dishes from Emeril's. Alright, come along. So here are the rules. Of course, you can do some hand washing, pull back your long hair, no eating or smoking. If you had any issues with respiratory or sick, don't come. It was a $65 cover charge. The presentation begins with the chef giving us an overview of the menu, as well as some rules, regulations, and things to be mindful of. And you start with getting your station number.
So he can collect them from you.
And let's see what number we get. Okay. Oh, I got 4. Here are the ingredients. And I am excited because New Orleans is my favorite place. Love Louisiana in general, so I'm excited to cook some of the specialties and learn how to finally do it my own. So they prepare all the ingredients and pre-sort everything for you. Pretty much the chef is guiding you towards how to use the ingredients and giving you information about each ingredient. Yes.
Beside that, there is a red color into the pan. No, into the pan.
Oh shit.
Right? Now what you do is anchovy sauces. The anchovy sauces, not the sauces. All of it.
The first dish that we prepared was a Cajun pasta, which was really delicious. And if you want the uncut, unfiltered cooking class as well as the recipes, how about you join the membership today? Okay, I'm about to taste the sauce. Salud. Let's go. Oh. The second dish that we prepared was a gumbo, which was an okra-based dish. And actually, this one was a creeper. I was thinking that it was not going to taste as great because of the okra base, but I found it delicious. If you are interested in seeing more videos on my solo travels, hit that subscribe button.
Now, how is the sauce?
All right, time to taste it.
How is the sauce? Good or bad? Easy to make?
Very easy to make.
Easy, right? Yes. Now let it think.
Oh my gosh, she's so good.
Now you need to open the back part of it.
The last dish that we prepared was a strawberries and cream and a Grand Marnier sauce. Now this one, and to save time, they pre-prep some of the materials and ingredients because you are in a time constriction. So the chef is basically showing us what the steps are should you try to do this at home. And again, if you join our channel membership, you get access to these menu items or their recipes. Okay, just got done with the cooking class at Emeril's, or the Emeril's favorite cooking class. It was so good. Everything was tasty. Almost tasted like the food that they serve in the Emeril's area. What else? It was so easy to make and healthy, great ingredients. So yes, hats off to the chef. I rested for a bit, and then it was time to meet up with my family for one last meal. But we had to do the meal the Carnival way, and of course it was a lot of fun and dancing. And of course, it would not be a family vacation without a scooter race. The center stage on Jubilee has or hosts a variety of acts, which I found a little different than some of the other Excel class ships. This evening, there was an inspirational magician.
One day at a time. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3.
Do that!
I hope you always remember this part of my show.
The first stop at our bar crawl was Havana Bar, where we caught the live music and tried a couple Cuban-inspired drinks. You can find live Latin music nightly, as well as they use this space during the day for trivia and karaoke. Got in a couple good rounds of the bachata, and then it was off to Dr. Ig's to try their delicious cocktails.
You can kiss it, okay? Don't blow, just kiss.
Our final stop on our little bit of a crawl was to the Alchemy Bar, which allegedly has Carnival's strongest drinks. It was with drinks in hand that we wrapped up our 7-day Western Caribbean cruise aboard Carnival Jubilee. This is See It With C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.